Respected parents and my dear students, due to the increasing coronavirus effect, Unique School is starting online classes, so stay at home and use it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss on our ninth tense, means future perfect tense. As HV in the sentence we will use shall and will plus have, and as MV third form of the verb. Law number first. With the following adverb of time such as by the end of plus time, day, week, month, years, at. With above mentioned clues, we can use shall and will plus have plus witherd according to subjects. For example, I shall have started a new business by next month. By plus time, it shows about future perfect tense. And like this example number second, by the end of Sunday, his uncle will have come from Delhi. Then in this sentence, what's clue? The clue is by the end of Sunday. So in this sentence, we can see two clues. By the end of, and this is completed. And next start our 10th tense, present perfect continuous tense. HV, has and have plus been, and MV we first plus ing. To know about this tense, first of all we see first rule. If there is since or for in the sentence and just after it, if there is time, then we should use has and have plus been plus we first ing according to subjects. मतलब कर्तानुसार हमें हैज हैव बीन प्लस वी फर्स्ट आईएनजी का प्रयोग करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राम हैज बीन स्टडिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग. Like this, they have been living in Jaipur 4 years. Note, in this sentence, we are seeing that since and for are used before the time. Since it is used before point of time, and for it is used before period of time. Since and for show about perfect continuous. Which tense? Perfect continuous. So that's over, and I hope you will understand very well from this topic. Until then, we will discuss on our next tense tomorrow. Until then, thanks and have a nice day.